Well, hello there. I got myself one of these Vivitar DVR E401 the other day. It was relatively cheap. Got it off eBay. This guy right here. So, the first things I found out is it will not start recording with the remote control. It will take a photo with the remote control, and it will turn the camera off, but it will not turn the camera on. I believe the light works there. That works with the remote. The little flip screen is cool. It's about a 3" by 1.5 inches. It flips over, so I'm looking at myself now, which is pretty cool. It's compact. It's a 4K. Something else I also found out, well, let me go through this first. Comes with a nice pouch. Came with a box, the wires, battery, pouch. Came with a 16 gig little micro card. The first thing I found out was I tried to swap it for an SD card, scan disk, and it doesn't seem to accept it. So it took me a few minutes to figure that one out. I'm also testing the microphone on this, see how that works. We're 2 minutes into the video now. Still looks pretty good. So, comes with the lens cap, remote control, the SD card, micro SD card. It's by Vivitar. They make good stuff. Ultra HD, it says. So when I'm finished with this video, I'll put it in the computer and we'll see how Ultra HD it really is. Let's, again, the light works with the remote control. That's kind of cool. I have it on a little mini tripod on my printer here. Let's see if we can do anything else. See what the photo mode does. So it paused it. That's kind of cool. Let's try that one more time. Yes, so the green button that has a little camera on it paused the video. That's pretty cool. Let's see what the video button, the blue video button, does. So that stopped the video and it did restart it again. So that's cool. We have menu and mode. So, like I said, I'm going to pop this in the computer and send it off to you all and see what you think about it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to have a bunch more coming up here in a few weeks. Thanks. So, I'm back real quick. I did stick the micro card in the computer. It doesn't seem to be very focused, a little blurry. I did get it to start with the blue button now, so maybe there's something, maybe the battery's weak in the remote control. I'm going to try to back up here a little bit, see if it comes in focus anymore. Wasn't too happy with that. Maybe I'm too close to it. I don't know. I did want to try the zoom. Let's see if the zoom works with the remote. There we go. So that works. Let's back that off. I did find it a little difficult to put the SD card in. It's very small. It can get crooked a little bit and then jam up. So let me see what else was there. So we got the zoom, the mode, and I was able to start and stop it via the remote control. So that's good. So my overall thought on the camera, it's not bad. It was only $20 with a $10 ship for this one. I bought a second one for $25 with a $5 ship. So if you're looking to just do some basic stuff, I guess this would be the one, or one similar to that. Like I said, it's Vivitar. They make good stuff. Alrighty, that's it. Thanks for watching.